Alright, boys and girls, today we're going to do a direct drawing for what sound? Ooh, what sound? Ooh, what sound? Ooh. How do I write ooh? W. And this one's a little tricky. This one's a walrus. A walrus. So we're going to start at the top in the middle here. Make an oval. Make a big oval for his body. Then we're going to go ahead and come right down by the side and do two of his flippers here. His flippers. And then we're going to go out the back and do a tail. So go ahead and do his two flippers in the front and then the back for his tail. Alright, next we're going to do two circles for his eyes. Go ahead and do that. A little circle for his nose. Another little circle on the sides. And then he's got two long tusks. His tusks are his teeth. Two long tusks, so go ahead and do that. His tusks are his teeth. Then we're going to add in some whiskers. Alright, and then we're going to put a block around his body like this. We're going to kind of just copy around his body there for the ice that he's sitting on, an ice patch. And then I'm going to get my blue and I'm going to put some waves at the bottom to show the ocean. Alright, because he's on the ice patch and it's floating in the ocean. Alright, to get on, they can go on land and in the water. Alright, and then walruses are brown, so we're going to go back and color in mostly brown for his body. Alright, while we're doing that, let's say our sound. What sound? Ooh, what sound? Ooh, what sound? Ooh, how do I write ooh? W. Alright, let's try to think of some other things that start like ooh while we're coloring. The first thing that popped into my head was watermelon. Watermelon. Ooh, watermelon. Water. The color white. Whale. That's another animal we could have done. Whale. Can you think of some other things that start with with W? Wagon, wheel, work, web. Alright, I'm going to make his nose pink. So let me get a pink real quick. Make his nose pink. Toot, 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 toot. There we go. Then I'm going to go back to my brown and finish coloring his body brown. Try to stay in the lines. Try to cover the white space, but not go outside the lines. Don't get too fast. Alright, what sound? Ooh, what sound? Ooh, what sound? Ooh, how do I write ooh? W. Alright, let me check and see if I can write over it again this time, like I could the last time. Let me see. I'm going to try to color his whole body in and then redo his face. You don't have to do that though, because you're using paper and pencil and it's so much easier. Alright, let me see if it'll let me. If not, I probably just messed him up. Alright, it will for now. So let me see. Small nose. Long tusks. Long tusks. This one looks mad. My other one doesn't look mad. This walrus looks mad, doesn't he? I should have probably left it. He looked cuter the other way. Alright. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? We forgot to write the word walrus, and now I have no room because I put all the ocean back there. Alright, that's okay. I'll have to, let me write it in green so you can see it. Ah. There you go. All right, walrus. Ooh, W. You can't see that good. Let me erase some of this up here. So we have room to write the word. See, I got carried away with my picture. I don't have room to write the word walrus. Okay. All right. I'm going to write it in green so you can see it. Walrus. Ready? Ooh. So W A L R U S. Walrus. Walrus. All right, boys and girls. I'll see you tomorrow for our next drawing. Bye bye.